Hello everyone, I'm so excited for this video. I am filming on a Saturday, which is not normal because I wanted to open this bag so bad. I am going to unbox what I think is the most coveted Chanel bag right now. It is a new release bag. Everyone wants to get their hands on it. Somehow I did, and it's from the 22 Cruise collection. I cannot wait to show it to you. I cannot wait to wear it. I somehow got my hands on it with this, like a buyer. It's directly from the boutique. So we're gonna open it right now and we're gonna examine it. Hopefully I love it as much as I think I'm going to. I also, attention everyone, go follow me on Instagram because I'm going to do another round of my selling of like my bags and accessories, like some luxury things. A lot of times I do that on my YouTube channel here because that's where everything started, and I've done my best to always put it on YouTube, but it is so darn complicated. Sometimes I feel like it's not fair. It's really rough. So go follow me on Instagram. It's Shea.Whitney, and I am going to do it on my stories. I'll definitely give you plenty of time to mark your calendars and your time to log on essentially and get your hands on some of the bags and accessories or shoes that are luxury that I'm no longer wearing. It's just, I don't know, there's just stuff sitting on my shelf. And I wouldn't say I'm a handbag collector. I mean, I kind of am, but I really it bugs me if I'm just not using something or ever wearing it. There's certain things I'll always keep, but there's certain things I just don't care if I have anymore. And I also wanna say, I will give you guys good deals on these items. And that's what I did the last time. I think a lot of you were floored with the prices that I put on these items, because this whole channel is all because of you guys. So the least I can do is give you guys a freaking good deal on these items. Some people right now are upset that they might not have Instagram, and I totally get that, which is why I wanted to keep it on YouTube for the longest time, but I really think Instagram is just like an easier way to handle it. So anyway, just wanted to put that out there and let's get started. So here is the box. And there's the paper here, and if you notice, here, I just gotta pull out the actual Chanel box. Look, it's like all wrapped up pretty. And I'm about to ruin it, and that kind of makes me sad, but that's okay. I've always said this, but you get like one go at these unboxings, and you really see like the true first impression, which I think that's why people are so, into unboxings. Should I just like pull the actual ribbon? Probably should. Chanel. Dust bag. So you kind of see the size, and there's like the, the paperwork, all of the things. So as you can see, it's not like the biggest bag ever. Alrighty, so it's in tissue paper, so you're gonna see it a little bit. I'm gonna hide in here, take the tissue paper off. Okay, I took all the tissue paper off. I saw it, but like I didn't really examine it yet. I just wanted to reveal it to you in all of its glory. So here it is. It is a Chanel camera bag, like the new version, the 22C camera bag in just beautiful black leather. Oh my gosh, I love how it says Chanel on it. I love how it has the chain detail here. There are so many aspects to this bag that I love. This is adjustable. I love how there's a back flap right here, which is perfect for your cell phone. I've been saying that for years. If there's like a back flap to put your cell phone in, I am a happy camper. But really, I just love how there's like a zipper. That sounded so dumb. There's a zipper. Every handbag has a zipper, but I meant like, it's not magnetic. I love a good zipper. I didn't even really look at it. Let me just examine it. I really like it. I love the design of it. See how the chain is kind of attached to the different pockets right here. So you can put like a chapstick in one, or your cards maybe, like you can do whatever you want. The main compartment obviously is right here, and there's different flaps in here, like just soft little flaps and whatnot. There's two actually on either side, but it is like a cloth lining inside. Okay, so a couple other thoughts about the bag. This is lambskin, which kind of scares a lot of people. I like lambskin, I like caviar. This just, there's a lot of detail to this, so it's not like super, you know, smooth where if it gets some nicks or scratches, it's gonna be very obvious. Like there's just a lot of detail on it, and I'm just going to wear it. I'm going to enjoy it. This is gonna be like one of my everyday bags, which is why I pulled the trigger on it. I love how this is adjustable. There's some additional chain detail right here, but this is adjustable. I'll try it on in a second so you can really see, you know, where it hits me and what it looks like. Another thing I was going to mention, just price point in general. I mean, it's expensive. This is a newly launched Chanel bag, and Chanel prices are just skyrocketing in general, which, you know, they just hold their value a lot better. So this is $4,800 brand new, which I know people watching this probably fainting, and I don't blame you. I don't. No, I don't. I love it. I love the, see, again, Chanel. I love the classic logo right here. I love the quilting right here. It's just, I feel like it embodies Chanel on so many levels, but it's such a practical and wearable bag. Still not practical price point, but let me actually stand up and try it on. All right, so here we are. I just put it on crossbody, and I love it. I feel like it hits me at a really good spot, so I could adjust it a bit, but I think I'm just gonna leave it how it is. And I did want to mention, this is the small size. So it does come in a larger size. It's not like crazy big, but it is considerably larger, but this is perfect for me. This is exactly what I had in mind. When I first pulled it out of the dust bag, I was kind of worried, like, oh, is this too small? But it really does seem perfect. And I did also, I know I already mentioned this, but I can already just tell I love this back flap for my cell phone. The zipper is really smooth, and I don't know, it's just like a good everyday size. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can maybe snag some other items I might be selling that I'm no longer wearing. Thank you for watching this video. I'll definitely update you on the wear and tear of this as we go along, because I'm definitely gonna be wearing it. I just don't get that excited about bags anymore. I'm definitely more of a jewelry person, but this is like really exciting to me. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new, maybe give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon.